Hello everyone, welcome to the HSPF training by DSI. This is Anurag Mishra. I'm a senior hydrologic engineer and marketing manager. HSPF stands for Hydrologic Simulation Program Fortran. It's a widely used watershed modeling software that has been around for more than 4 decades. US EPA supported the development of HSPF over all these years, and the latest available version is 12.5 on the US EPA website. The source code and executables are also available on the GitHub repository of RESPEC. US EPA supported the training for HSPF for many years, but they haven't supported any training since 2009. So the training materials that are available on the US EPA website are at least 11, 12 years old. Over the years, there have been demand for HSPF training online and offline. However, some of the consultants developed the client-specific trainings. I did some of those trainings, but there has not been a standard set of training available which users can pick up based upon their skill levels. To fill this gap, DSI has provided this HSPF training as its commitment towards scientific community and modeling community. The goal of this training is to make the user familiar with the mechanics of HSPF so that they can focus their efforts on the science of watershed modeling. This training is divided into multiple courses. The courses start from HSPF 100, then HSPF 200, and so forth. Every course has multiple videos that answer a very specific question. These questions could be very simple, like how do I import text data into a WDM file? What is a WDM file? How does different operations connect in a UCI file? These videos are generally 5 to 10 minutes long. And as we go from simple HSPF 100 to HSPF 200, we learn how to create UCI files with more meteorological stations, and so forth. So the complexity will increase. We'll mostly focus on the mechanistic aspects of HSPF. So we'll not be discussing the scientific principles a lot. We'll be just touching those, as they are beyond the beyond the scope of this course. To get the most out of this training, I would suggest you to install these software. Basins 4.5 and HSPF 12.5 are available on the US EPA website and on the GitHub repository for RESPEC. SARA time series utility is a very useful software for managing time series, and the support was provided by San Antonio River Authority. HSPXC Plus, the support was provided by Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. I was a prime author of that. The link for installation of all of these software are available below this video. Text editing software, I have provided 4 choices. You can select any one of those or whatever you are comfortable with. My personal preference is VS Code, as that's what I have started using. Whichever software you use, make sure you understand how to do column editing. For any of the modeling program, you need to learn how to do some data analysis. My suggestion is to use Python. Python comes with many other libraries, and I would suggest using Anaconda to install Python, because then it installs many data science libraries automatically. Tim Serra from Florida developed multiple libraries that we can install in Python very easily, so that you can use it to interact with time series data, WDM data, HSPF binary data. So my suggestion is to install these libraries as well. The instructions are below this video. You may be able to do some exercise, most of the exercise without knowing Python, but it is my suggestion. And that's it. Once you install this, We'll see you in the course HSPF 100. Thank you so much for your time.